Welcome back to episode 2 of Fast Hitch on a Farmall 130. Hope you all enjoyed the first episode. Roger has done a little bit of work while we was at work today. So what he's done, I don't know guys, I may have not showed it real good last night, but last night when we put this on, it had a big old bow in it. And it had a bow because somebody had this collar tight when they were plowing, I'm sure. As you can see now, Roger's got it. I ain't gonna say it's back exactly factory, but it's nice. It works fine. It's got a little bend here, and he's got it coming up straight into here. So all of that's fine. He's loosened up. This was bent completely. This rod was bent, so he straightened that out. He's got that going in there fine, so that'll be ready to go on that side when he gets back. He went to go get a few parts from Brandon, so as soon as he gets back, we'll put them on, show you, and we'll hopefully get all the hitch together, the pull bar up under it tonight, and be ready to go. That'll work. So if we naturally let it cool back down,
yeah,
it won't mess with the temper that much.
Pick that boat up for me, Joe.
Yeah, I am. Just a second. That's what we want.
This is the other one.
I believe we can get another one there now. Well, punch down.
Yep.
Oh, punch on it.
Did you get it to move?
It did, but it didn't move like I want it. So we're gonna have to heat it up.
You did get this to move?
Internally, you know what I'm saying. You can tell when a bolt's moving internally and not externally.
Mm-hmm.
So it needs to be heated up. But just a hand torch would be fine on that.
Okay.
I got mine out for hand torch. Just gotta hold on to it. Is the other one a little bit nice, small shut?
Don't worry about that. That D-Walk there, a dime a dozen. Golly.
Just think, every hit you're saving yourself about $8.
How much is this thing?
I think he gets about 100 for it.
Good golly.
Maybe not just the rod, probably the whole assembly. But they're brand new. They're not.
75 years old?
Yeah.
I'm not either.
Sorry, I shifted you.
This anvil has a little curve on it in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
And I've seen most of the time when it springs down to that point
Comes back.
and it comes back up straight. I love it.
It went from that to that.
Okay.
Well, you see where the big bow is on that one. Things don't want to let go of that heat. Copper's prettier though.
You rather have a penny or a 50-cent piece?
A shiny new penny.
Okay. They're made out of aluminum, you know that, right?
I know. All right. So then we go screw that in that arm on the floor. It'd be better, honey, if I put this thing in here where I can see it and hold it right there. There we go. Yeah. I always like putting these to the back.
How do you know what you're just guessing that's about where that's supposed to go, Joy?
Yeah, and plus I was going off the mark that was
okay.
the bolt put into it. But what I like doing, Roger, is when it's on the tractor, this is going to be like that. That's facing you, and then the bottom, look,
Yeah.
it's like that right there.
Right there where you can get to it.
Now we're going to set this thing up off the side. You remember I was showing you, talking about the side bolts yesterday? We're going to put the hitch under it and set these up on the side.
We are going to go ahead and put the hitch on it
Yeah,
tonight? Or?
figure you might as well. It won't take but a second. Once you got all the parts freed up, which you already have, and we'll pull it off this spring when you get ready to do stuff. I do like these. Looking forward to that. Do you got both of yours tight, top and bottom?
No, I ain't done anything with the block.
Yeah. Let me move this thing kinda in position.
Now, we got the pin for that? Or was that a bolt?
It's a pin from the factory, but what we need to do
It
is
needs to be loosened up some.
it needs to come off all the way, and
Cleaned and
it needs to be able to do that.
really. Okay.
So,
Get the big boy out.
yep, let's find a
I'd
wrench.
say it instead of my snap-on.
2,400 IPMs. Don't know what that means. I just know it means it'll break a bolt. You got adapter? Yeah, there we go. Yeah! That monster.
That beast.
Can't handle it. Now I hope that ain't threaded on there. Oh no, that's a spacer, ain't it, Roger? Pretty loose, but I can spin it in here with this and get it on looser. Yeah, brush it. And I mean, honestly, it don't need to be tight. And he may have not had it tight, may have been rust doing that, you know?
Does that other big nut, does it fit this bolt or is it too
No, it's a bushing, so to speak.
big? Yeah.
Just a space taker.
Okay.
Only way we'd take it all is if you decided you wanted the factory pin that came in them.
Now, let's see.
I'm just gonna run it up a little ways. Yeah, you bent it because you can see where it's bending on the threads there. Okay. Watch your fingers. Okay, see if you can get that bolt in there. There it goes. There you go. That's it.
Is there something to go on the bottom?
No, because we're going to take it off in the spring. I don't want this one yet.
Okay.
I want this crossbar. Yep. And I take it.
Now I want the pin over here, right?
Turn it like that. Like that right there.
Okay.
Now it can rest on itself right here for a little bit. Sammy, get us something to put in there.
Pin in there.
Something keep it from coming out on my leg. I've seen some on this front side, but I'll check my pictures in a minute, but I'm fairly certain it goes on the back side. It's amazing the things you know, but you never pay attention to. I can tell you right now, this is going to have to come down some.
Don't turn easy.
Yeah, it turns easy. Okay, there was another pin like that one. Yep. Like so. Okay, now there's two other pins. Hold on, Sammy. Yep, that's it. Hold that in your hand, Sammy. And I'll take care of the rest. Man, give me something better than that. Got another one of them.
I told him to put that cotter pin.
I know, but I don't trust
I
that
got some
thing.
more of them. I got a bunch of them.
Give me another one of them. I don't trust them cotter pins. Because the way I got it lifted up, I don't need it coming loose. All right, Sammy, you got your pin? Hold on. I'll get Sammy's side first. Come out, yeah. All right, and then you take this side. Swing. See how I swung it with my leg?
So it's kind of critical then that these things be loose.
Everything's loose, yeah. And now, there's your fast hitch installed. So now, yeah, we'll lift these up. Now what I do here, and that's the old one.
Oh, okay.
What I do here is when I got the fast hitch on, I'm gonna run the back feet. I come in from the outside.
Okay.
See how that gives me some outside there? I don't much worry about it if the fast hitch is not on. I'll put it inside or out. But if the fast hitch is on, I come in from the outside. Looks like that right there?
Now there's supposed to be a pin right here.
Yes.
Too, right?
I use one of those big. You can do it like that because that will hold it. But yes, I have one of those. I call it the fat key ones. You ever seen them, the big fat ones? Yeah. You got like a, yeah, that's actually what goes in there from the factory. That'd be tough to do it with your hand. I got it, Roger. I'll put it in there. But did you see that? That's what you want. Even if that's locked in, it still takes the pressure. Fuel's cut off, ain't it?
I don't think so. It might be out of fuel.
I don't know. It's no, it's got a little bit in it. How it collapses up. You got a fast hitch, buddy.
It sure looks like it.
You got a genuine fast hitch.
Yeah.
Now let's take it off and put it on the one Super A. All right, guys, we got the hitch on. This may be a shorter video than normal. It didn't take quite as long as I thought it would tonight. Roger had done most everything we needed to do last night, which was straighten this rod here, straighten the hitch. But we got it all on. Wonderful little fast hitch. It's going to work good. Going to work on the Super A next. We're going to take everything that we took off here, put on the Super A and mount the planter and get it ready for Roger to plant. And tiller, Roger?
Tiller, yeah. Tiller.
So we're going to work on the tiller too. And that's just, he got a tiller for his Ford. And you going to hook it up to the Ford and back it in here?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll hook it up to the Ford and put these points on it and back that up in here. And I might even get my D-Walt off the van so I can break his bolts for him. But other than that, appreciate y'all. Sammy, what's the verse of the day?
It's Proverbs 1:15. My son, walk not thou in the way with them, refrain thy foot from their path.
Good deal. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Who is them? People that ain't doing right? Okay.
I was trying to put it away like that.
The world, Sammy. All right. Can't think of anything else. Leno's filming for me. Some point in time after this video, maybe before this video, we may have one of the farm shows. So God bless you. We'll see you.